One of the things that makes the Dream Draper system so unique is the fact that we have these beautiful hundreds of full designs that you can totally break apart. And we've been working with this design here. This is a full design. It consists of the swags and the cascades and the hardware. And I can just very quickly put together a quick treatment to show a customer. Now, if I didn't want to work with the full design and I wanted to work with some of the components, remember you can always click on the 4 gold buttons, and you can also drag on the components one at a time. Maybe I start off with, I'll bring on some swags, and I can create some kind of a design. But as you can see, it's much faster if you do start off with the full design and take off what you don't want. So that's the beauty of working with the full design, is that much of the work has been done for you. It gives you some points of inspiration, and it really does speed up the design process. Now you can take a full design, such as the one that we have here on the right, and you can ungroup it. That's this icon here. You can ungroup it, and that means you can start taking it apart. If you don't want some of those features on there, you can just take them off. For example, I can just take off that cascade. But right now I want it back on, so I'm going to hit my Edit Undo button up here in my top toolbar. Edit, Undo, and it goes right back to where it was. Now, one of the things that you're going to be doing a lot is you're going to order your components into a different position. So for example, right now here on the right side I have the long cascade, and that is hanging on the rod, and it's over this swag. But you know what? You might want to have that cascade placed under the swag. So what you can do is you can highlight that cascade, and I'm going to order that down. And to do that, I will use one of these 4 order icons up here, and this one is my move down button. So I'm going to click down. Now sometimes you have to click multiple times. There, I had to click twice. I clicked on that move down icon twice until the cascade moved behind my swag. So your group commands up here in your toolbar and your order commands, you're going to be using a lot of these. If I want to now group this treatment on the right, again, one of the fastest ways to do it is you click on your blank screen and you lasso all of the pieces, just like that. I release and I lasso, and I've grabbed everything. Now in this case, I may just want to group the treatment but not the window. So in order to deselect the window, I put my finger on the Shift key and I keep the Shift key depressed, and I will click on the window, and this deselects the window. There, you see, the window is no longer highlighted. And now if I want to group this window treatment, I will click on my group icon here. There, I grouped my treatment. And if I move this, you can see that I was able to move the treatment, and it's grouped, and the window did not come along because I had deselected the window. I will go back and I'll hit my Edit Undo button, and the treatment will move right back to where it was. So these are your group and ungroup commands and your order commands, where you can move your treatment to the front, to the back, forwards, and backwards.